Hey everybody, Crazy Dave here with Crazy Dave's crew. Glad you made it back. Today I am going to walk you through some of the things that I've done on the chicken coop and see if we can get more done today. So come on along, this should be fun. Alright, so as we ended the last time, you saw us putting this wall in place. Just basically a full sheet 8x4 panel, and then cut a small hole here. Now you'll notice I went ahead and cut some grooves right here so that I can put a sliding door in, and I'll have a pulley that will come from down here, and it'll work its way up, and then I have a pulley wheel there, and then we'll have another pulley wheel right in here somewhere, and then I'll attach a cord about right here so we can come out anytime and raise or lower that door. And already getting ready to attach a ramp. I'm going to need to do some work on that. Now this, put up the last wall, and I cut out another small door here. Now this one's just a half door, and got a latch on this. Just gonna have to work on that a little bit, but on the inside I've put up an extra wall so that we can use this area for storage. Probably gonna put some shelves right over here for dry storage, and then maybe some area here for our larger tools. But pretty much anything pertaining to the chickens will definitely go in here, and maybe some extra tools. But this is, I've actually fallen a little bit behind schedule. I had planned on having this done about a month and a half ago, but life happens. I found myself, I got a little bit sick for about a week, and then the weather played against me. It was raining pretty much constantly for a little while, and now the weather's dropped off nice and cold for us, so that should make it interesting. Gonna have to, the time has changed, so I'm gonna have to start learning to work in the dark. That should be fun. Today I'm probably gonna go ahead and work on closing up this section. Decided I don't want quite that much venting going on, and this section up here I'll put some chicken wire on, or some mesh wire, I'm not sure which yet. This is going to be our vented area, and then of course on this other side we'll do the same thing, blocking this in. And then of course I need to put some mesh here. Need to put some mesh here to block this up a little bit in our sliding door. And I need to put some steps on our rail, and this will be ready for our girls to sleep in. I had originally planned on going ahead and finishing up the run before we put the chickens in here, but I am seeing a need to go ahead and get them in a little bit safer chicken coop. We're letting them out to roam during the day anyway. A couple of nights ago, you see all this propped up here. We had another raccoon trying to get in, so he pretty badly messed up the mesh on this side, so I've propped this up to protect my girls a little bit. So we're going to get them into this coop as soon as we can, and then I'll work on the run as we go. That's kind of where we're at right now. I hope you're enjoying this series. If this is your first time for seeing one of our videos, make sure you click that subscribe button. That's there, isn't it? I think it's there. But make sure you click that subscribe button and click the like and the little bell beside the subscribe button so that you will get notified anytime we put out a new video. Also, if you'd like to see some of my other crazy antics, be sure to check out my geocaching channel at Adventures in Geocaching. I'll put a link for it right up there. So, hope to see you over there too. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time on Crazy Dave's Crew.